Saturday, September 14th. It's 2 days after Francine. Water's super high back in the marsh. Really high. Say, I think it's a Redfish Magic. It might be an HD spinner. What a DOA. Purple. I don't know the name of the color, but it's purple with a chartreuse tail. Money. Well, hopefully, do some blind casting. They predicted for the storm surge 4 to 7 foot. I came down here in the parking lot at the marina Thursday. Storm hit Wednesday. It wasn't that bad. I mean, it was bad in some areas, just not here. Got him. God damn it. Did y'all see that? That was freaking awesome. Well, that sucks. There's one finning right there. Right behind that little patch. I don't know if y'all can see that. See him? He's coming right at me. So cool to see him doing stuff like that. You come chase it down. I bet you that was that same one. Huh. I seen his wake. I don't know if that's gonna come out. I have to look on the footage. But I can see his wake behind the bait. He chased it down. That may or may not have been the one that was, I don't know. It was cool though. Damn, he came off. Turned and came off. Damn, there's one right there. Shit. Damn. They spooky back here. There you go. I don't think that's gonna come out. Shit. Well, this is gonna be interesting. Whoa. I can't tell if he came off or not. No, he didn't come off. He did a circle trying to look for it, to look to see where it went. That was cool. It's pretty neat to see, really neat to see actually. You fought your butt off, buddy. Let's get you unhooked. I hear you. One spot on each side. All right, let's get you back. That was cool. He did a 360 trying to find it. Actually, I think I hit him on his back. I think I hit him on his back while he was turning. It was crazy. But I was able to see him, so see what else I'm able to see. Probably could just swap to just a paddle tail by itself without the spinner bait. The sun's coming up. Water looks pretty dang clean so far. Surprising with that storm just coming through. One right there. Ooh, that was a cool. Damn it. Shoot. I don't know how this is gonna go either. Might wind up losing him. Yeah, I think he came off. Lost him to the marsh. What's new? It's all right. There should be more. Hopefully, right? This high water like this should be able to get to a lot of places you normally can't. But that's the thing too, they're gonna push back. They're gonna push back as far as they can. They're gonna get as skinny as they can. So that means that you have to also get as skinny as your boat will let you. I don't know what they shooting at. I ain't seen a teal one. Our fish. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Oh shit, there's two of them right here. Look at this. Dang. That sucks. See if I can get him back in the water. Still have enough time to get one of them other ones. He got hit by something. Nice little red. Let's get him back. See if we can get one of them other ones. I was cruising, there was a pair of them. Let's see. They didn't really spook, they kind of just swam away. I don't know, let's see. I mean, it looked like they came this way, but they could have went that way. I don't know. They're over there, I see them. It's coming for it. Got him. I don't think that's the same ones. All right, buddy. It's about the same size of that last one I just caught over there. Nice eating size. All right, pal. Nice. All right, get you back. I didn't think he would need too much convincing. I figured he would take off. Seems like they got some, so far, they do have some fish back here. That was another pair. Didn't look like the same size fish as the that other pair I'd seen, but maybe. Got him. Awesome, man. So pretty to see. The other one's still hanging out with him. Still following him around. This looks more the pair I'd seen earlier, but could be wrong there too. Probably ought to net this guy. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Golden, golden. Come see, buddy. All right, look at this guy. He's got two on this side, one on the other side. Nice redfish. Yeah, like I was saying, those look more the size that that I had seen. Man, the water's clean, clean back here. Clean, clean, clear, clear, clear. Oh shit, big old redfish over there. Got him. Whew, whew. Whew. Man, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. I seen him from a good ways away, just kind of cruising, you know. Threw it past him, brought it to him, and he went after it. He chased it down. I lost him, actually. I just kept kind of retrieving it. All right, buddy. Big fat one. Big fat one. Got 3 spots on this side. fatty, man. It's matrix shad. Ultraviolet. That's what I've been throwing. Alright, let's check this guy out. So 3 on that side, 2 on this side, 5 spots. The redfish are really orange back here. Pumpkins, pumpkins. Pumpkin patch in September, huh? I think these flood tides have boats in places that they normally wouldn't go. There's a bay boat over there, which I've never seen a bay boat over there. But I hope he's catching fish. Enjoy this high water when you can, because come wintertime, I'm probably not even going to be able to get back here. Shit, they're all over the place. Look. Redfish clouds. Yeah, I haven't seen no redfish back here. All I've seen was a couple of sheephead. Oh, man. Cool, he ate it that time. I guess he didn't see it. I don't know if he didn't see it the first time or what. He's not really big, but he's nice. Oh, there's a perfect little eater here. Actually, probably not. Not with new reds. Pretty close. I think he's like 16 or 17. Bounce around back here in these ponds and see what we can find. Water's so high. Still pretty early. What is it, 10? 10:06. I got out here pretty early. Got out here really early. Much earlier than I normally get out here. I'm not typically on the water before daylight. Not to sight fish. Get back into these ponds. Ooh. Oh man, so cool. Nice. Put it right in front of his face. And he ate. Nice red too, it's a big one. Well, one of the bigger ones today. Yeah, beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful red. Come on, buddy. Let's see, he's got 4 on this side. 6 spots. Man, big heavy guy. Big heavy dude. Pretty. first one after moving areas. All right. Oh man, I hope that came out. That was freaking awesome. That was so cool. He didn't know what happened. I didn't know what happened. That was crazy. That was cool. He come out the dang water though to chase down that lure. That was really neat. Damn it. Those freaking things. Oh shit, there's two of them right there. Got him. Got him. Seen that pair cruising by. Cruising looking for something to eat. Man, nice one. Another nice one. All right. Man, things are so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Get you back in the water, dude. Go hang out with your partner. Today's been a really good day. I don't even know how many I've caught. Gotta get a clicker. Start keeping track of them. Damn, man, big old sheephead. That was awesome. Cool, man. That little dude, come out of this little, he came out of here, he just went back in here. I've been seeing a lot today. Well, yes, I've been seeing a lot, but I've been seeing a lot of them hanging out, the water's so high, right? Hanging out underneath the marsh grass, just like chilling in the shade. It's not really hot today. It's probably 80 degrees or so. Oh, a little multi-spotter. But he ran, anyway, what I was getting at is he ran back in there. Swam, he didn't run. One on this side, two on this side. Nice little red. He would probably keep, even on the new regs. All right, get you back. I dropped it by him. I don't think he saw it. And then he came, swam over there to check it out. And then turned and then came back to get it. And then swam back in there, like I said, where he came from. Crazy. They do some silly stuff, man. You get to watch them, see them, react to stuff, or didn't see him though. Didn't see him leave. It doesn't mean he didn't. He was right there. He went in that little pond. He went right in there. Come on, dude. Look at him right here. What the fuck? I don't know what happened. My drag slipped. I've kind of been thinking that's been happening. I don't even know where the heck he went. Oh, shoot. He's over there. He took off. He took off. Yeah. Big old orange pumpkin in the water. You can see him. I don't think he's ready yet. Oh man, that's why he's fighting so funny. Yeah, I would say he's the biggest of the day for sure. Oh yeah, definitely, 100%. I don't know if he ate it and then spit it because it's in his gill. All right, yeah, it's for sure. Biggest one of the day. Big heavy. 2 on this side, 1 on the other side. We're gonna get him back in the water though. Not gonna keep him out too long. Get him back. Get a good release on him. Dang, he's ready. Yeah, he got 2 good kicks. And swam off. Good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day there. Been a really good day. I'm, like I said earlier, not really sure exactly how many I got. I want to say about 8 or so, but it was a really good day. A lot of fun back here in the marsh. Catching some beautiful redfish back here. Thanks for watching, and see y'all on the next one.